Westermans here with a little order for Kemppi machines, which are the older Kemppi Pro 4200 with the MXE panel, doing pulse aluminium. Cable's been extended on the wire feed unit so we can remove them. Also with Kemper fume extraction systems with 3-meter arms. Fortunately the arms have been taken off, ready for delivery, otherwise they would be damaged. And these are twin arm units, all been serviced and tested and waiting for dispatch. Nice little order for machines all in one place. More machines available to view and buy on westermans.com. Fume extraction, MIG, TIG, column booms, profile machines, plasma, various engineering equipment, bending rolls, guillotines, many machines, and supplied overseas if required. Thank you for looking.